All right, so I'm going to start off with the No Problem Prime Essence Serum. This stuff has been actually quite amazing. Comes in a little dripper tube. I'm dripping it all over the place here. Now I do have combination skin, so I like to put a hydrating primer all over first. And then I do like to go in with a pore filling primer, and I'm going to also go in with the No Problem. And this is the Smooth and Pore Covering Primer. So I'm going to put a dab of that on my hand and put it directly where I need a little extra help with pores. So basically across my nose, in my tops of my cheeks, my chin, and up in my forehead area here. Now I'm going to go in with this Fenty Beauty. It is like one of the matchsticks. What is this? This is the Matchsticks Skin Stick. I think it's like a bronzer in the shade Cinnamon. I'm going to kind of put this under my foundation where I would contour and bronze. I know it looks really orange and a little scary, but once you blend it in, put your foundation on, I promise you it will be all good. All right, I'm going to take my super sponge. It is this silicone infused sponge that was sent to me not too long ago. And I'm going to blend some of this into my skin. Now I'm going to take some of my MAC Studio Fix, and I have mine in the shade NC27. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now, I have really been loving, I'm not sure where I put it, right here, the Fenty Beauty Concealer, but it is a little bit more mattifying. So for that really glowy, dewy look, I'm going to use the Too Faced one, and this is in the shade Vanilla. All right, now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I'm going to set my under eyes with this. All right, so I did all over with the setting powder. Anyways, but I'm going to go in with this Hourglass. This is the Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light. This is such a beautiful bronzer. Definitely recommend this. For blush, I'm going in with the Too Faced Peach My Cheeks Melting Powder Blush in the shade Spiced Peach. The formulation on this is just amazing. It's like a wet to dry, wet to powder kind of formula, and it just looks absolutely stunning when it's melted into the skin. And it smells delicious. For highlighter, I'm first going to go in with this Galactic Cream Highlighter or Skin Glow in Moonlight. I'm going to take this more champagne-y side here. And then I'm going to go over it with my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Bar of Gold palette. I'm going to mix the pink and the white together. Now all I need to do is fix up these brows. Hang on. All right, that looks a little bit better. Now to set the face, I'm going in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. This leaves your face looking absolutely dewy and amazing. All right, and on my lips, I just topped it off with a little bit of the Steve Laurent lip gloss. And yes, this is my glowy, dewy summertime skin. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified, you know you got to hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.